Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Okay, we are ready. Yatra yagnapati sakshat. Om Namo is over. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namaste Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate
Narayana
Vasudevaya.
Namaskritya. Naranchaiva Narottamam.
Navandamayarotamam.
Vyasam Tato Jayamudhire. Nashta Prayasha Badresho. Nityam
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya.
Uttama Shloke. Bhakti Naistiki. Yagnapati Saksha. Bhagavan Hari Ishvaraha. Annamo Yata Sarvatma. Yagnapati Saksha. Bhagavan Hari Ishvaraha. Yata Sarvatma. Aloka Guru Prabhu. Yagnapati Saksha.
Bhagwan Hari Ishvara.
Yata Sarvatma.
Annapurna Survatma. Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu.
Yatra Yagnapati Saksha Bhagavanna Hari Ishvara Bhagwan Hari Ishvara Anna Bhugavata Sarvatma Anna Bhuyata Sarvatma Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu Yatra Yagnapati Sakshat Yatra Yagnapati Sakshat Bhagavan Hari Ishvara Bhagwan Hari Ishvara Amma Bhuyata Sarvatma Amma Bhuyata Sarvatma Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu Yatra Yagnapati Sakshat Bhagwan Hari Ishvaraha Annabhuyata Sarvatma Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu
Yatra, where Yagnapatihi, the enjoyer of all sacrifices, Sakshat, directly, Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Harihi, Lord Vishnu, Ishvaraha, the Supreme Controller, Annabhuyata, became visible, Sarva Atma, the Super Soul of everyone, Sarvaloka Guruhu, the master of all planets, or the teacher of everyone. Prabhuhu, the proprietor. The Supreme Personality Godhead Lord Vishnu is present in everyone's heart as the Super Soul. He is the proprietor of all the planet and the enjoyer of the results of all sacrifices. He was personally present at the sacrifices made by King Prithu. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Vishnu, is present in everyone's heart as the super soul. He is the proprietor of all the planet and the enjoyer of the resorts of sacrifice. He was personally present at the sacrifices made by King Prithu. Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. In this verse, the word Sakshat is significant. Prithu Maharaj was a Shakteshwara avatar, incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Actually, Prithu Maharaj was a living entity, but he acquired specific powers from Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, however, is directly the Supreme Personality of Godhead and thus belonged to the category of Vishnu Tattva. Maharaja Prithu belonged to the Jiva Tattva. The Vishnu Tattva directly indicates the Supreme Personality of Godhead and thus belonged to the category of Vishnu Tattva. Sorry, Prabhuji. Maharaja Prithu belonged to the Jiva Tattva. The Vishnu Tattva indicates God, whereas the Jiva Tattva indicates the part and parcel of God. When God's part and parcel is essentially empowered, he is called Shaktya-vesha Avatara. Lord Vishnu is herein described as Hari Ishwaraha. The Lord is so kind that he takes all miserable conditions away from his devotees. Consequently, he is called Hari. He is described as Ishwara because he can do whatever he likes. He is the supreme controller. The supreme Ishvara Purushottama is Lord Krishna. He exhibits his powers as Ishvara or the supreme controller when he assures his devotee in Bhagavad Gita 18.66. Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reaction. Do not fear. He can immediately make his devotee immune from all the reactions caused by sinful life if the devotee simply surrenders unto him. He is described herein as Sarvatma, meaning that he is present in everyone's heart as a super soul, and as such he is the supreme teacher of everyone. If we are fortunate enough to take lessons given by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, our lives immediately become successful. No one can give better instructions to human society than Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalankaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Yatra Yagnapati Saksha
Yajnapati Saksha
Bhagavan Hari Ishwaraha Anubhuyata Sarvatma
Bhuyata Sarvatma
Sarvaloka Guru Prabhu. The Supreme Personality, Godhead Lord Vishnu, is present in everyone's heart as a super soul, and he is the proprietor of all the planet and the enjoyer of the resorts of all sacrifices. He was personally present at the sacrifices made by King Prithu. Hare Krishna. These lines at the end are so beautiful. If you are fortunate enough to take lessons given by Lord Krishna and Bhagavad Gita, our life immediately becomes successful. No one can give better instruction in human society than Lord Krishna. And we cannot hear Krishna directly. We have Srila Prabhupada as the founder Acharya emitting Krishna's instructions. So, we have to make a decision whether we want good instructions or nonsense instructions. Spiritual life, the most important point is association. So am I taking association of Srila Prabhupada? Am I hearing what instruction he has to give me? There was once when devotee went to Srila Prabhupada and said he's very disturbed. So Srila Prabhupada said, are you reading my books? So Prabhupada, I don't get time. So Prabhupada said, then what else do I expect? Correct? So, reading is not like reading one line in WhatsApp message. Reading means reading a book and spending at least 1 hour a day trying to absorb the instructions. You can see Srila Prabhupada is naturally such a great devotee. But just look at the way he's ending up Prabhupada. Nobody can give better instructions. If you are fortunate enough to hear Bhagavad Gita, can't we get this after hearing for 1,000,000 times? What a deliberate disobedience. Kutte ke poonch, whatever you say, the person will not change. But here it is very clear, simple instruction, so simple. And actually when you sit and read Srila Prabhupada's books, we say Jai Prabhupada. What Jai Prabhupada do we say if you're not reading his books? There is no heart in that statement. Just like I joke sometimes, during election time, the political parties, they say Bharat Mata Ki Jai. They're just saying it to, because it is appreciated in audience. So hardly feel what they're speaking, because we know most of them are corrupt to the core. Correct? We just make a statement because it sells. So similarly, we don't say things because it sells in ISKCON society. We should say because it is from deep in our heart. But where these feelings will appear? Gratitude to Prabhupada, love for Prabhupada, great faith. Unless we have great faith that he is the Acharya who is going to lead me to Godhead, why will he read his books? And it is vice versa. Unless somebody is reading his books, then only he will develop this faith. Yes, I got a person who will take me back to God. Okay, so it's very important that this is sufficient. Srila Prabhupada says, whatever you need to go back to Godhead, I have given in my books of faith, that this is sufficient to take me back to God. That faith should be there. Otherwise, only here and there, reading Prabhupada's book one line, then reading here. That fundamental faith has not come. Here I got a person who will take me back to God. Solve all the problems. Here in Bhagavad Gita, you see, taking shelter of Krishna solves all the problems. Somebody may say, okay, as a particular person, there is no limit to the kind of sinful activities he has done. Correct? Hari Ishvara. Okay? These are the words. This is the word Prabhupada is taking word Bhagavan Hari Ishvaraha. Bhagavan Hari Ishvaraha. He takes away all the miserable condition. Okay? Okay? So he's saying, Krishna is saying 1866, Sarvadharman Parityaja, do not fear. He can immediately make his devotees immune from all reactions caused by sinful life if the devotee simply surrenders unto him. Krishna is competent to take away all our sinful life, miserable conditions if we just surrender. No, I did that, I know. That's okay. But can you sincerely surrender? But where do we begin surrender? Hear the holy name submissively and read Srila Prabhupada's books with respect and submission. That is where we begin. That is where we begin our sincere surrender. And then rest will follow. In the Navavida Bhakti, there is Shavadam, there is Kirtanam, there is Smaranam, there is Mandanam, there is Archanam, there are so many things. But everything begins with Shravanam. If Shravanam is in the proper place, if the Shravanam is in the properly given time, automatically Kirtanam, Smaranam, Mandanam, everything will follow. If we are hearing properly, then definitely then we will recite properly. Correct? We want world to listen to us. Whom are we listening? Are you listening to Srila Prabhupada? Do you spend time hearing? No, I don't do that. Then what right you have to represent Prabhupada? Don't say I am representing Prabhupada. Do whatever you want. Correct? The very reason people listen to us is because we are representing Prabhupada. If you are not reading his books, then you are not representing him. You are not hearing him, then what are you speaking? You are speaking some hodgepodge. So first you hear, then you speak. And then when you are properly hearing, hearing is not only intellectual hearing. Hearing means submissive hearing. Sometimes people think hearing means intellectual hearing. That's only a part. Hearing means submissive hearing. Okay, so you are hearing submissively to the Acharya with respect, love, affection, then the words will imprint in your heart and then actually you can speak. And then when a Shravanam and Kirtanam is there, the next thing, the Smaranam will follow. Then you will think about Krishna. Then Vandanam. When Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smarana will be properly, then Vandanam. You'll offer prayers to the Lord. Now, do we offer any prayer to the Lord? We don't, because there is no Shravanam going on. Why will you offer any prayer? Just like an animal with the three modes are pushing us around, we are going around. It's not a big deal. Animal also, when he's healthy, is jumping around. Not a big achievement. He feels he's a big man. But three modes are dragging us here and there because there is no Shravanam. There was one Srila Prabhupada. This is not even morning, this is evening. So Prabhupada was taking evening class of Gita. So some devotees came late. So Prabhupada said, why were they? Why they have not come for the class? But Prabhupada, they were busy in some service. So Prabhupada said, what service they will do without hearing? Correct? So without Shravanam, if you are doing service, it's all under the three modes of matter nature. And what spiritual benefit it has? Zero. Just doing service is not an achievement. Service should be done with proper consciousness. Just chanting is not important. What consciousness I am chanting? Am I chanting properly, attentively, with devotion? Punya Shravana Kirtan. Yes, just chanting without devotion will bring you some peace of mind. It will not rapture your heart and Krishna consciousness. All the elements of devotion can get covered by 81 varieties. Prabhupada explained this. He says Satuguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna can be combined to 9 varieties, mixture, and then again 9 into 9, 81. So there are 8, under the modes of nature, it will infect. Went away in between.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So holy name actually is very powerful. The Srila Prabhupada books are very powerful. Somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, you said, Lavamatra sadhu sangha sarva siddhi hai. You said a moment association can give sarva siddhi. But then, can we get that from Srila Prabhupada? Your books, Srila Prabhupada. So Prabhupada said, I am ready, are you ready? So we have, how much fortune it is actually. People spend their lives looking for a place to get proper shelter, proper instruction, we got it. But then, after getting all these things, if we don't take proper benefit, then aren't we the greatest misfortune? Correct? Hardly have any time. Every moment has to be spared. We cannot waste it. Every moment should be used properly, not wasted. So that we don't know, today we have good health. What is the guarantee tomorrow we will have good health? It's possible that tomorrow some health crisis will come and we will be in a great difficulty. It's quite possible. So today is an opportunity for me. My health is good, my ears are good, I can hear. Okay? Why not I take full benefit of Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam? Okay? Then advance into it. And what a sweet line from Srila Prabhupada. Who can give better instruction than Krishna? What a sweet line. Correct? So don't you think we should think like that? Who can give me better instruction than Krishna? Krishna has given me this instruction. Okay? The guidance in Bhagavad Gita, So wonderful guidance is there. Prabhupada again and again as a great devotee keeps speaking in Bhagavad Gita like that. He says Krishna is personally explaining himself. Take opportunity. Here, this day why Prabhupada writes like that. Who will write like that? Krishna is personally explaining. Supreme Lord is personally explaining. Just imagine Krishna comes to you and explains, you are not the body or spirit soul. How much fortunate you will feel. Krishna is personally, that's what he's doing in Bhagavad Gita. He's personally explaining. Take advantage. Because when Arjuna says, Krishna, every word you are speaking is the nectar. I am enjoying it so much. Please tell me more. So Prabhupada writes, yes, Krishna is personally speaking. Take advantage. But do we look at the book like that? Do we look Bhagavad Gita like that? It is personal instruction of the Supreme Lord to guide me, to save me from my rotten consciousness, to save me from my sinful activities, to take me back home, back to the spiritual world. This is such a beautiful book, Krishna's instruction. This book is so holy. We may order because of culture, we may think Bhagavad Gita is holy. But do we have that consciousness? These are the words, sacred words of Krishna. How beautiful that is. You see that? For us it is a sadhana to speak like that. For Srila Prabhupada it is so natural. So natural. You know? For us, we have to do sadhana to speak something sensible. For Srila Prabhupada, the pure devotee, is so natural, just flowing out of his heart, devotion to Krishna in simple words. That was one meditation today. The second meditation was Shaktivesh Avatara. Shaktivesh Avatara means sometimes a jiva, like Prithu Maharaj is a jiva, and he is given Shashana Shakti, empowered by the Lord. What are the other Shaktivesh Avataras which are mentioned? Yes, anybody?
Parashurama.
Yes.
Ved Vyasa Prabhu.
Vedavyasa ji, Narada, correct? Or Kumara.
Parashurama. Parashurama.
Kapila Muni, okay? There are so many Shaktivesh avatars which are actually empowered by the Lord. They are Jiva Tattvas, but they were given in the list of the incarnations of the first canto, third chapter, because there are 6 kind of avatars and one of them is Shaktivesha Avatara. It's also listed in the category of incarnation. Shaktivesha Avatara, Manvanta Avatara, so many avatars.
Srilaprabhupada.
So even acharyas are called Shaktivesha Avatara. By the activity they do, we can know Krishna Shakti vina na hoy parivartana. Without Krishna Shakti, nobody can bring people to Krishna consciousness. And we see Srila Prabhupada, he brought so many people to Krishna consciousness. We see that, correct? We see that Srila Prabhupada is doing that. And he brought so many people to Krishna. So therefore, acharyas are also called Shaktivesha Avatara. Okay. To meditate on Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada gave the meditation founder Acharya. That's a meditation you can always have, bona fide meditation, founder Acharya. It's a meditation, but many devotees also refer to Srila Prabhupada Shaktivesha Avatara because he actually immense Shakti to convert millions of living entities to Krishna consciousness is sure. So then where are we placed? So Prabhupada says Krishna has given wonderful instruction, let us take benefit, let us advance in Krishna consciousness. Now a lot of sound now, a lot of work has started. Yesterday we got 6 now, plus 2, 8 cows already come. So we are busy, little some way. Tomorrow we have the Go Puja in the morning. Even more people want to give cows, but at least 8 we are now, we will. Sometime we have to make the facilities for them to stay. That means a lot of work is needed. And get used to one more thing in our temple, but I think that completes the Krishna temple, one Goshala, small Goshala. So tomorrow morning we are planning that we'll have Go Puja, I think around 10 o'clock. And then after that Go Puja, we'll start the Govardhan Puja. Okay. Those who are in Mangalore, you can come join in, a lot of work is there. And in the evening we'll have boat festival. Okay. Hare Krishna everybody.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dhanva
Hare
pranam.
Krishna Prabhuji, thank you.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, congratulations and thank you.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna
pranam
Prabhuji,
Prabhuji.
Sada Pranam.
Hare
Thank
Krishna
you.
Prabhuji, Sada Pranam, thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Koti Koti
What
Pranam.
will sing? Who wants to sing this? Damodar Ashtaka? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Jayaraji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Namamishwaram Satchitanandam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashoda Viyoloka Ladavamanam Paramrustamatyanta Todita Gopya रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रा युगं रुजन्तं करम्बोजयोग्नेन सान्तकनेत्रं मुहुश्वासकं पात्रीरेकाकण्ठ स्थिताग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरनन्दकुण्डे स्वगोष्ठं निमज्जन्तामख्यापयन्तम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरनन्दकुण्डे स्वगोष्ठं निमज्जन्तामख्यापयन्तम् तदीयेषु भक्तजितत्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तां शातावृत्तिवन्दे तदीयेषु भक्तजितत्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तां शातावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षां न मोक्षां वदिं वा न चन्म्यवृणेऽहं वरेशादपिह वरं देव मोक्षां न मोक्षां वदिं वा न चन्म्यवृणेऽहं वरेशादपिह इदं ते वपूर्णाता गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्या वीरस्तां किमन्ये इदं ते वपूर्णाता गोपालबालं सदा मे मनस्या वीरस्तां किमन्ये इदं ते मुकाम्बोजामत्यन्तनिलरै वृतं कुन्तलैस्तिग्नरक्तैष गोप्या इदं ते मुकाम्बोजामत्यन्तनिलरै वृतं कुन्तलैस्तिग्नरक्तैष गोप्या मुहुश्चुम्बितां बिम्बरक्तं दरामे मनस्या विरास्ता अलं लक्षलाभे मुहुश्चुम्बितां बिम्बरक्तां दरामे मनस्या विरास्ता अलं लक्षलाभे नमो देवदामोदर अनन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् नमो देवदामोदर अनन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःखजलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्टातिदिनं बतानु गृहाणेश मम अज्ञामेदाक्षिदृश्या कृपादृष्टिवृष्टातिदिनं बतानु गृहानेशमम् आज्ञामेदाक्षिदृश्या कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमूर्तयद्वत् त्वया मोचितां भक्ति भजाकृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ बद्धमूर्तयद्वत् त्वया मोचितां भक्ति भजाकृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकम्पे प्रयच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेऽस्ति दामोदरेह तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकम्पे प्रयच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेऽस्ति दामोदरेह नमस्ते स्तुतां दाम्ने स्तुरदीप्तिदाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायात विश्वास्य दाम्ने नमस्ते स्तुतां दाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिदाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायात विश्वास्य दाम्ने नमो राधिकायै दिया प्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै दिया प्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले ब्राजमनं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले ब्राजमनं हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you, everybody.